Mapping your way with English. Next to, near and between. Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of English prepositions, specifically focusing on next to, near, and between. These are crucial words to understand when giving or receiving directions, or simply describing where things are located. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident in using these prepositions correctly in conversations. So, let's get started. Next to, near, and between are all prepositions of place. Next to is used when something is immediately adjacent to something else. For instance, the coffee shop is next to the bookstore. Near is used when something is close to another thing, but not immediately adjacent. For example, the park is near my house. Between is used when something is in the middle of two things. For example, the post office is between the grocery store and the bank. Understanding and distinguishing between these prepositions is vital for accurate and clear communication. Let's look at more examples to solidify your understanding. 1. My house is next to the supermarket. This implies that there's no building between your house and the supermarket. 2. There's a beautiful park near the city center. This tells us the park is close to the city center, but not necessarily immediately adjacent. 3. Our school is between a bakery and a library. Here, the school is in the middle of these two buildings. Now it's your turn. Let's practice with some exercises. I'll give you some scenarios, and your task is to form sentences using next to, near, and between. 1. Scenario: your friend's house is immediately adjacent to a gas station. Your sentence, blank, underscore, blank. 2. Scenario: the shopping mall is close to, but not immediately adjacent to, the bus station. Your sentence, blank, underscore, blank. 3. Scenario: a cinema is located in the middle of a restaurant and a gym. Your sentence, blank, underscore, blank. Remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, practice, and more practice. And that's a wrap for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us in exploring the usage of next to, near, and between. We hope this lesson has been beneficial and given you the confidence to use these prepositions in your day-to-day conversations. Stay tuned for more lessons on conversational English. Keep practicing and you'll continue to improve. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.